everybody, welcome back to another episode of A Fresh Start. Hope you're all doing well today. I am doing well myself, not enjoying this cold weather, not ready for winter. So I am hibernating today. It's not even that cold out. I think it's gonna be 40s today. Fahrenheit, that is. But I do not like cold weather. So, as you can probably see, I put a couple of ceilings over our villagers so that we don't have any mishaps with some lightning. Let's check it out from up here, see how it looks. I chose to use white stained glass, and I was hoping that it would kind of, well, number one, I want the clouds or the light to show through. It's got to grow the crops. Number two, I was hoping it would just be kind of like a low-lying cloud or something like that. Oh, that thing. But I don't think they stick out too bad like a sore thumb. The other thing you might notice is I switched this around a little bit. I feel like I'm going to make this entirely too complicated. And this is going to take a lot of resources that I don't have. So I'm going to be on a little bit of a grind. What am I doing? Just jump. No! Give me that back. So I'm going to be on a little bit of a grind here to try and get all my resources. But here's my goal. Everywhere there's a gray wool block, or a light gray wool block, a villager will be standing. There's 13, actually 26, 2 rows of 13. So that should theoretically on this side give me enough room to put 2 of every type of trader. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 farmers, 2 blacksmiths, 2 librarians, yada yada yada, all the way down. I would like to do a mirrored image of that on this side, and then this center will be kind of like my walkway, my aisle. In addition to that, this is going to be the challenge. So what I want to do is I want to have this underground area here set up so that I can come down here, I can have a zombie down here, and somehow, you know, have these guys standing on like a slab with a sticky piston under it, and if I push a button, it'll lower them down, which will then in turn give the zombie a chance to turn them into zombie villagers. And then I can then, at that point, raise them back up and cure them. That's my master plan. We'll see if I can make it work or not. This is going to be a challenge. I have not near enough slime, so I think instead of going to that swamp like we did last time, actually I think it was that way, that was a pain in the butt. It took forever to get the slimes that I needed, and it wasn't even very much. I think what I'm going to do is go and try and find a slime chunk the old-fashioned way. So I think I'm going to go down below Y level 40 and mine out a big area, and it'll actually be a good opportunity for me to collect a bunch of resources while I'm at it, because as I said last time, I'm running low on iron. So it'll be beneficial in 2 ways, I think. And also, before I get going here, I think this is kind of the block palette I want to use for this. Kind of make it look, you know, a little rustic. So I got some stripped spruce, some normal spruce, stripped dark oak, normal dark oak, some normal stone, stone bricks, cobblestone, and then spruce trapdoors, I think. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to incorporate these yet, but maybe I'll use them to hold the villagers in or something like that. I don't know. But as I said last time, that's my master plan. We'll see how it works out. But anyway, like I said, I am going to go do some heavy mining and clear out a whole big old area and try and find a slime chunk, because boy do I need slime, boy do I need iron. So I will be back in seconds your time, hours my time. And I have succeeded. Only problem, I don't know which chunk he spawned in. But there's only 4 or 5 to choose from? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Don't have my sword. Sword. Hey, little guys. Nothing. Alright. Now I shall watch. Finally! It has been probably 15 minutes. I have pinpointed it. It's this one here. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Get my sword. Stop chasing me. Haha. Ha, gotcha, gotcha. Gotcha both. Ha, gotcha, gotcha. Wah. Gotcha. Gotcha. Drop some slime balls this time. Oh yeah, look at that. Jackpot. Jackpot. Well, only 12. But that's okay. I can be alright with that. I have pinpointed that it is this chunk. I'm going to leave this right there. Ha ha ha! Yes, success. Alright, here I sit. I have mined out way more than I should have. There's actually chests sitting right there that aren't rendering. That'll tell you about how far away I am. I think this is the 6th chunk in this direction, maybe 7th. But I know I marked with those 4 pieces of cobblestone that those for sure, that one chunk in the middle right there is a slime chunk. Slime produce in there. I also know that this chunk right here is a slime chunk. I think. It's either this one or that one. I'm not quite sure. This is the 7th chunk. It was a very long ways. But anyways, back to my story. So that chunk right there, that 16 by 16 square, is for sure a slime chunk. Now what I did was in hopes of, you know, getting like a double, maybe a triple slime chunk. How lucky could I be? I also mined out the 8 chunks surrounding that. I guess I only had to do the 6 because I already had these 2 done. So, with any luck, a slime will spawn sometime, and if I'm even luckier, one will spawn on one of the side chunks over there. So now I'm just going to sit here and wait to see if maybe we got lucky and got a double or triple. That would be pretty awesome. Get rid of these chunk borders here. Well, I think I may have this pinpointed. I wanted to check over there. I knew one of those 2 chunks was a slime chunk, so I marked it out that one as. I'm not sure if the far one is, but I'll find out soon. And then this one, I think the chunk on the other side is also a slime chunk, and possibly this one. So actually that's probably not the best place to stand, is it? Maybe this is a better place to stand. stand right here. And now, if anything else are slime, because I'm pretty sure these three are not. I know this one's not. So now I will stand here and wait. Well, I may have been wrong. We all just saw that one spawn. But I've been sitting here, which should cause them. Actually, I'm surprised one spawned in there. Unless there shouldn't be anything spawning in there. I'm too close. Unless it spawned in that chunk. Because that's 16 and I'm 8 blocks in, that's 24 blocks. They shouldn't be spawning within 24 blocks. Anything outside of that chunk on the opposite side or over there should be where they're spawning. I bet he spawned in that other one. Now I have to clear that chunk out too. Here I go. I think I've succeeded. So this little guy spawned in here. And that guy spawned in, oops. Just die. That guy spawned. It was real close to the border here between these two. So I have a decision to make. I should watch that. That's what I'm gonna do. So I know this one is... Oh, I don't have anything to mark it with. Pardon me. Pardon me. I need to borrow these. So this one, for sure. And now I will sit and watch over there to see where they spawn. And that will give me an answer. Well, I think the best we're going to get is a double. So I got this one and this one over here. That makes slime chunks, or that makes slime. These are slime chunks. This one and this one make slime. So I tried, actually this one is too, but I don't want to do, I don't know. Maybe I do. I'm just trying to think how that would work, you know? Like doing a double diagonally is relatively easy. Actually, that may not be too bad. I wonder if what I could do... I think there's ocean above this, so that's going to be a challenge. But I wonder if what I could do is put like an iron golem right in the middle of this chunk. Maybe a couple of them stacked on top of each other. And then maybe the slimes that spawn there, there, and there will come this way. And try to get to the iron golem. Maybe we'll do that. That's gonna be way more slime than I would ever need. But why not? Why shouldn't I? After all, why shouldn't I? What's that from? I feel like that's from a movie. I'm not a movie watcher. I'm gonna do a little bit more clearing out here and get some borders opened up. This might just work out after all. This is not an ocean. This is like an underground river. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There you are. Come here. Come on. Ha! Gotcha! Gotcha! Get back out of here before you drown. Whoa. Alright, now I need to... You're just gonna go away for a little while. I need... Really? Another one? What am I supposed to do with two of you? This is a grind. Chunk 1, chunk 2, chunk 3, chunk 4. As I said before, this, that, and that are a slime chunk, and hopefully this fourth chunk here will end up being the collection area. That is only level... I can't remember, 30 maybe, so I still have to go 10 levels higher than where I'm at right now. This has taken forever. I have no beacon. I'm definitely going about this the old school way. I've repaired my pick 2 million times, and for that I have done something. Oh, I should show you this too. I ran into my tunnel going to my skeleton spawner. I used to run straight through here, so I had to move all that over to the side. I kind of redesigned it, kept the same similar concept, but I redesigned it just a little bit. I think I like this new way better. And then what I'll do... Oh, I'm missing a strip of diorite right there. I'll have to fix that. But then what I'm going to do is I will put glass around here, and when I'm running past here I can watch all the slimes fall to their deaths. Let me show you what I did. I had to do it. I couldn't take it anymore. Well, I haven't quite done it yet. This guy refuses to grow up. Grow up. But this guy... Oh yeah, I suppose I need to... I suppose I need to actually make some hay or some wheat. And I want to grab some more beets also. These guys are producing nicely for me. And these guys do make bread. I didn't realize that. Kind of unfortunate for the wheat trades, but that's okay. Grab some beets. Trade with him again. I gotta build up my emeralds. I need mending. Last time I repaired this pick, it cost 36 levels. That is too many. Boy, that's a lot of wheat. Ah, nice. Level this guy up one more time. What are you gonna offer me? Melons are okay. Could be a little better. Could also discount your prices a little bit, buddy. I can't believe he's still got wheat and... Oh, I gave him all my wheat. Whatever, I'll grab some more beets. That's just temporary. I just need the mending book until I can do more with this. Then, at that point, grow up. I will move them to the main area there. Boy, this guy still wants more beets. Holy smokes. Oh, Well, I guess I better exhaust all of his trades. And the only reason I have the farmer is so I can get some emeralds, because I have not many emeralds otherwise. Of course. Hopefully he'll refresh his trades overnight and that guy will grow up. I'm gonna go grab some more wheat to keep trading with him, and then we'll come back and we'll see what kind of a librarian villager we get. Well, I traded this farmer up to a master and got 2 pretty decent trades here right at the end. These 2 are garbage. What are you doing? No! Oh my goodness, he just grew up in the wrong spot. Oh, and you got terrible trades. Oh, and he's mad at me because I hit him. I saved your life and you're mad at me. What is wrong with you? You're not going nowhere. Ah, shoot. Get rid of this wheat for a second. No, go away. No, don't take that. That's mine. You took it. Impaling. Terrible. Nope. Nope. Yeah, Fortune 3, that's not bad. But I already have so many Fortune 3 picks. I'm on a mission for mending. That's it. I want nothing else. Ugh. Ha! Got it! Perfect. Don't mind if I do. 2 is a plenty for right now. Just lock you in. Just lock you in. That's it. You want to trade with me again? No. What did I do? You're welcome. Over here trying to overcharge me, and I'm just throwing him free stuff. What's the matter with me? Clear out some of this inventory a little bit. Go make some more emeralds, maybe get 1 more mending book. That. Perfect, he took all of them. That. Oh, hold on, guy. Let me make some wheat. Whoa, that was a lot of wheat. Maybe more than I needed. Give me lots of wheat trades here. Trade it all. Take it all. Well, you took a lot. That's alright. And I get 2 more? I'll take it. Alright. Now I can go get some mending on my armor, or my pick, and maybe my shovel. I don't know if I want to put mending on this shovel. Kind of sucks. And this? Too expensive? Oh no. No, 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 no. What's too expensive? Why is it too expensive? Well, it only costs 2 to put it on the shovel. I knew it. I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. I like this sword. I'm going to put it on the sword too. I'm not going to put it on the sword yet. I need to go grind out some levels Well, I did a little bit of looking, and it looks like I was not aware of this, but when an item... Get down from there. When an item on the anvil says too expensive, you have two options. Wow, they dropped a fully healed? Is that the right word? You have two options. You can either cheat and turn the game to creative mode, or you can make a new tool. So I think I need to make a new tool. So I gotta get up to level 30 so I can get some enchantments. A new pick. This is a sad day. This is a good pick. I enjoy this pick very much. Look at this guy. Don't fight it. Just go. Whoa. Yep, so I'm gonna get a new pick, I guess. Alright. Did way too much enchanting. Did way too much tool making. Did way too much skeleton grinding over there. So here's the situation. I got 2 efficiency 4 picks. Get that efficiency 5. And then I got an unbreaking 3. I guess I don't really even need an unbreaking 3 if I'm putting mending on it. Whatever. And now we'll put mending on it. Finally. The only thing I'm missing is silk touch, but that's okay. I have gobs and gobs and gobs of regular stone. I could use a little bit more cobblestone. And maybe I'll get silk touch later on. Maybe I'll get a book from one of those villagers up there. Alright. Well, I have finally finished it. Haven't quite cleaned everything up yet. But I have been mining and mining and mining for hours. I did not do this all in one sitting either. Just an FYI. This was multiple sessions here. I think all in all I maybe had 10 to 15 hours, maybe a little more, into mining out these 4 chunks. And I had to take breaks to mend my pick up and get a new pick. I mean, you guys know, you saw it. So now comes the fun part. I get to start throwing some slabs in here. I think I'm gonna use jack-o'-lanterns for light sources. Gotta get magma blocks. Yeah, we'll make this happen. Ah, I forgot a cobble. I missed one. Get this out of here. Yep, so I left that open, left that open, obviously I left that open. That is open. And we'll just throw glass in front of those. Make those our little lookout points there. But boy, I tell you, I got a whole lot of materials from doing this. I have more cobblestone than I will ever need. I have more stone than I think I'll ever need. I say that now. You wait. I'll be crying in a year. I'm gonna start throwing some slabs in there and getting some spawning platforms rolling. Maybe some magnum blocks. Oh yeah, this is all the slime that I got just while making the farm. Is there a need for the farm anymore? I don't know. But I guess I might as well have it, right? Well, I have finished construction. Not that I know if I needed to. I have so much slime. I think I have a double chest full of slime balls, or darn close to it. And I guess I shouldn't say I've finished construction. I've finished construction of the platforms. I still have to do magma blocks on the bottom. I still have to get the iron golems in here. And I have to get some sort of collection going on. Yeah, so I'm not quite done, I guess. But boy, talk about a grind. No beacon. I'll tell you, I'll never need cobblestone again. I think I have 10 double chests full of cobblestone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I thought about doing one more layer, but I think I'm not going to. And my reasoning is, I'll show you in just a second. That guy just fell off. So here's what I'm talking about. I got all of this slime just from making it. Maybe not quite a double chest full, I guess, but still a lot. So I got all of this slime just from making it. And 3 chunks with 7 layers on there is going to produce way more slime than I will ever need. And I still need to make a collection system down here. So I am thinking, now granted, yeah, this is only level 11. Let me put that back there. This is only level 11, so I do still have space below this. Maybe you can hear the lava underneath here. I just don't feel like dealing with all that. I gotta get magma blocks in here. I gotta get hoppers and hopper mine carts, rails in here, all that. I still gotta get chests in here. I think I'm gonna do that in that third or that fourth open chunk over there. So for me, this is more than enough. This is going to produce too much slime. I gotta get glass going too. Got to get glass there, glass there, glass up there. Good night. That's the other thing with the looting sword. You get a half a stack of slime balls at a time here. I should have brought a crafting table down and converted all those, turned all those into slime blocks in that chest. It would have taken up a lot less space. So yeah, I guess that's the next step, right? Get some magma blocks. I probably don't have enough of those. I'm going to have to go to the nether. Get a bunch of those. And then get some collection system going here. Well, better get to it. Oh boy. I have finally finished this monstrosity. The only thing that's left is a couple of aesthetics. Some glass there, some glass over there at the on that tunnel going to the skeleton spawner. But boy, was this a grind. This may be one of the biggest builds I've personally ever done, the biggest farms. And like I said before, I'm never going to need this much slime. This was just too much. I will say the one concern I have is I have seen it where since I didn't put powered rails all the way along, if this chunk unloads, like if I go exploring somewhere, these mine carts may stop, and I'll have to kind of give them a little nudge. So I'll have to kind of see how that pans out. I may need to swap all these rails out for powered rails, but we'll see what happens. Let's see it in action here. This is perfect timing. The other thing I'll say is I built this glass up 3 high so that they... I wonder if that'll get picked up. That should get picked up. So that they, once they hit the magma, they don't jump off the side. It's really early. I'm having a hard time thinking. But the one thing I've seen is some of them, if they jump from very high, will jump past this glass and actually land out here. So I may need to build these glass panes up just a touch more. You can hear that click click down there too. See if I can maybe show you what's going on. I don't know how far over I can go. There we go. Whoa! Okay, maybe I need to build up a couple of walls right there, because these aren't spitting out straight. But anyway, so I can't get over there. But the hopper mine carts will unload into these hoppers, which are all pointed towards these center 2 hoppers that drop into these dispensers. The dispensers are on an auto fire, so as soon as there's something in them, like so, it'll dispense out. And then along this... Uh-oh, don't catch it. Oh, I caught it. The items will drop, will be dispensed, and will shoot along these water columns. That's a bubble column. And then up. And then... let me just build these up while I'm down here quick. Like I said before, if I lose a couple, I'm not real worried about it. Actually, I'm going to use cobble. So yep, they'll go along here. I'm thinking about fixing this to put them all in line. I'll see. We'll see what happens. I'll make that decision when the time comes. But right now that's how it looks. They're just kind of offset with each other. Maybe I'll just do it now. I am happy with this. That must be both of them firing. That's got to be both of them firing. I have not heard it go that fast yet. Oh yeah, okay. I feel better now. Whew. Stop picking them up. Oh yeah. Alright. I got more slime than I'm gonna know what to do with. I had, just from making it, I think I showed you earlier, I have a full double chest, so I started converting all those to slime blocks. Now that I finally brought a crafting table down here. So I'm gonna go get this stuff from this chest. So long as I have space in my inventory. I still have rails over here. Okay, let's make a little bit of space here. Good. What? What? How did this happen? I don't have space to pick that up. Don't tell me I need to put a guard on the outside of this. Alright, let's fix this. That's something I'll have to watch. For sure. Well, all seems to be going according to plan so far. Like I say, I got a little bit of aesthetics that I need to work out. But this, again, more slime than I will ever need. I love how this episode started as a... We're gonna make a villager trading center. Uh-oh. We're gonna make a villager trading center, and now I've mined out 4 chunks for a slime farm. Yeah. Good fun, good fun. But it definitely works. Oh, and for those of you who are wondering, all these little pods here are full of iron golems. Stop following me. Go over on the magma. Die. Just stop it. Give me that XP. I'll run up real quick and I'll show you what I'm talking about with the iron golems. Because I think we all know, you know, slime are attracted to iron golems. They're just hanging out there. Thank goodness when I mined this out, I found a whole bunch of resources, because with all the hoppers, the iron golems, all the iron that I had to use, and I have no iron farm yet, man. But I did find a lot when I was mining these 4 chunks out. Yep, I'm pretty happy with it. One less item I'll have to worry about for the rest of the life of my world. So long as these carts don't fall off the tracks anymore. It's really strange how that happened, why that happened. I've never seen that happen before. Well, guys, I think that's going to wrap this one up. I apologize. It's been a couple weeks since I gotten a video out. Like I say, this was a heck of a grind, and there's a lot of days that I didn't get a chance to work on it at all because I've been working busy hours. A lot of hours at work. We're very busy. But hopefully in the future here, my I can get an upload every, week like I had hoped, rather than 2 or 3 weeks in between episodes. So, but anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor, hit that like button, and if you want to keep seeing more, hit that subscribe button. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you on the next episode.